Everybody, welcome back to Smoking with the Smiths. On today's episode, we've got something interesting for you guys to try. It is going to be crab stuffed salmon fillets. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you don't miss any Smoking with the Smiths episodes. So come on in here and we'll show you what to do to make this crab stuffed salmon. So here we have 8 ounces of cream cheese. We already have it softened and whipped up to make this a little bit easier. And to that, we're going to add 2 4-ounce cans of crab meat. Then we're going to add 1 cup of crushed pork rinds. Then we have 1 large egg. 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard. Then we're going to add the zest of a lemon. We're going to hand mix this on low until everything is combined together. Now we're going to fold in 2 diced green onions and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And finally, we've got some Meat Eater Zesty Seafood Blend. It's called Mermaid's Trident. Looks like it has salt, lemon peel, garlic, onion, paprika in it. So we're just going to put a little bit of that in here as well to give it a little extra flavor. Okay. We're just going to add a pinch of salt to this as well. So next we'll come over to our salmon fillets here. Here we have some Mediterranean salmon fillets that we just picked up at a local supermarket. So we're just going to slice these open on the top. We're going to stuff our crab meat mixture into there and then put a little bit on top as well. And the one important thing to remember here, obviously don't cut the whole way through your salmon fillet. You'll make a little bit more of a mess there. You'll have your crab falling through the bottom, and you don't want any of that. So you just want to cut right into your salmon fillet. Once again, not the whole way through. And then we'll just come in here, try to open this up a little bit. And then we will get our crab mixture in there. Now that we have this salmon stuffed the way that we want it, we're going to do the other one, and we're going to take them out to the smoker. Okay, so we have our smoker on here at 250 degrees. We've got our salmon fillets ready to go on. We've got our meter in the thickest part of one of the fillets. And we're just going to get these on here. Like I said, 250 degrees. We've got mesquite pellets in the smoker. And we're just going to get these in there. Okay, so we pulled our salmon off the smoker, got it to an internal temperature of 130 degrees. It took roughly 45 minutes for the salmon to cook, maybe a little bit less than that. But here we have it, salmon fillets, crab stuffed. We're going to let these rest for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to cut into them and see what we have. Okay. All right, let's give this salmon a try. Definitely nice and flaky. Get some of that crab in there. That's really good. We put a little extra of the rub, sprinkled it on top of the salmon fillets. I think that is really good. I think it comes out really well. So there you have it. Crab stuffed salmon fillets on the Pit Boss KC combo. Once again, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, we'll see you then.